The service StabiliTrak light indicates a fault in your GMC Sierra's electronic stability control system. This electronic stability control system uses sensors to detect traction loss and stabilize your vehicle by applying brakes or reducing engine power. The light often triggers due to error codes like C0561 or U0100. It can also be caused by blown fuses, like fuse 56 in the underhood fuse box. Corroded sensors or loose connections can also trigger the light. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for these codes and pinpoint the problem. Remember, a reset only clears temporary faults and doesn't fix underlying issues. Ignoring this light can compromise safety, as StabiliTrak failures contribute to rollover accidents. To reset the service StabiliTrak light on your GMC Sierra, follow these steps carefully. First, park on a level surface with the parking brake engaged for safety. Second, inspect the wiring at the steering angle sensor, yaw rate sensor, and ABS module for any corrosion or looseness. Third, use an OBD2 scanner to note and clear any error codes in the system. Fourth, cycle the ignition by turning the key to on for 10 to 15 seconds, then off for 5 seconds, repeating 3 to 5 times to recalibrate. Fifth, take a test drive at low speed under 25 miles per hour to allow the system to self-diagnose. For some models from mid-2024 onward, you can perform resets using the My GMC app instead. If the light persists after reset, you may need to replace faulty sensors costing $50 to $200, or consult a dealer for ECU reprogramming. For long-term prevention, schedule annual ESC system checks and note the GM recall for certain 2022-2024 models addressing software glitches.